This dude made a golf cart out of a smart car. It's pretty cool. Look at all these cars, guys. This is just the beginning. This is Friday afternoon. This is insane. Look at that, beautiful. Look at this, look. Just insane what's in town right now. All the way down as far as you can see. Look up here. There's the Bible van. I'm in front of Firehouse Subs. Listen at him go. Let's go look at this green truck for just a second. Looking beautiful, man. It's really nice. Look at this green truck. 53. It's 54.9. That's nice. Look at that. The engine on this. Oh, let's go look over there. Really nice. Wow, that's cool. It's new. So much cool stuff.